How to create Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can create Discord account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, install the Discord application if you have not installed it yet. If you have already installed the application, make sure that it is up to date. After that, launch the application. Once you open up the application, you will land on this kind of interface where you have two options, either to log in into your account if you already have an account, or to register if you don't have an account yet. That will help you create a new account. So tap on register. After you do that, you land on this kind of interface where you have two options. If you want to create your account using your phone number, then you have to enter your phone number with your country code. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. Or if you want to continue with your email, so tap on email. So in this case, I will just continue with email. Then you have to type in your correct email address. So make sure that you type in your correct email address, then tap on next. After that, you will be asked to choose your display name. Here you can use any emojis or special characters if you want. So type in your display name. After you do that, tap on next. But if you don't want to set your display name now, you can simply skip this process by tapping on the skip at the top right corner. Then tap on next. After that, your username will be displayed here. You can continue with the default. If not, you can change your username. Under that, you have to create your password and make sure that the password must be 8 or more characters. Once you're done typing in your password, tap on next. Then you have to provide your date of birth. So from here, type or select your date of birth, then tap on confirm, then tap on create an account. Confirm it here. Confirm this verification process as well. Now once you're verified, your account is successfully created. Now you can set up your account. Here, if you want to find your friends, you can allow the Discord to sync your contacts in a mobile device. If not, tap on skip. Here you can allow people to find you or simply tap on skip. If you want to add your profile picture, you can simply select your profile picture or simply choose a Discord avatar. If not, tap on skip at the top right corner, and here tap on skip for now. And with that, you have successfully created your Discord account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.